Hey, everybody, welcome back. It is Wednesday, I believe. Yes, Wednesday, October 17th, and we are about to kick off our third quarter earnings season. And it'll be really interesting. Or, yeah, third quarter? Yeah, right? Do I have that right? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, third quarter. Wait, hold on. Yes, I had that right. Third quarter egg season. And uh, we're going to start off with Alcoa. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making a bunch of earnings trades calls for you guys. So, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. This one's coming in a little bit late. It's about by the time I get it posted, it'll probably be about quarter to four. But hopefully, I'm just going to make this quick. So, Alcoa. Now, it has gotten smashed since we started talking about tariffs going back to around this time. You can see that a lot of the tariffs have been priced into this. But I still think they're going to have a really hard time making these numbers tonight because it's pretty bad. I don't even have an estimate on it. Um, I'm not really sure what the estimate's on it, but you can see here I had aggressive longs, and that was based upon this really strong data here, 152. But I never really got a trade off on it. So I think the tariffs are going to continue to beat this company up, along with supply dynamics. It's going to have a really hard time. There's a massive problem in the United States right now with trucking, and there's just not enough truckers right now, and supply chain is going to be a big issue. So I think that this is going to miss, and I think it's going to go lower. But I'm taking a very small trade. I just posted it in Stock Twits a few minutes ago. I'm buying $500 worth of puts at the money's expiring in 9 days. So it's a whopping $500 trade. I just want to put my money where my mouth is when I'm talking to you guys, so you guys don't think that I'm full of poo. So there you have it, my very first earnings trade of the season. I'll try to stick with the big ones. I took a look on my screener here. There really wasn't too much else other than Alcoa that's coming out today. Really nothing too big that I really liked. So I'm just going to stick with this one. It's probably not going to be a great trade. Again, because most of the bad news is priced in. But, hey, it's a trade. And, we do it proportionally. Ideally, here's what I'd love to see. Okay, so let's take it one step further. I'd love to see a bad number but a positive reaction, right? I'd love to see a bad number, like somewhere around 72, 68 would be great, but some type of positive reaction to that number. That's what I'd ideally like to see. My puts would lose money, which is fine, but if that happens, then I'd be looking at shorting or somewhere around the 39 level. Um, that would be wonderful. Now, what happens if we blow out? What if we come in at another 152, right? Something like that, right? If we come in with a really big number and we gap higher, I think that'd be great. But I think that no matter what, until we get more clarity on the tariffs, this has continued to be a sell on the tariff information. So any big gap up, we could sell that as well too. I know it says aggressive longs here, but it's really more off of that. And when I have that down there, what that basically means is that I'm not actually looking to buy it. I'm actually looking to sell premium. And this month I did sell some premium. I did a bull put spread in September, early September, and that's what that is there for. Okay, so it does sometimes mean I'm buying the stock, but in this particular context, based on order flow, it was more of a debit spread trade. So I hope you guys like that. I'm expecting them to miss. I'm expecting the tariffs to be taking a big toll. If I'm wrong, $500, but I'll probably make it back on a short in the day trade tomorrow somehow. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you. Stay tuned. Subscribe because I'm going to be doing lots of these earnings season.